UK is the Internet country code top-level domain for the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. As of March 2012, it is the fourth most popular top-level domain worldwide, with over 10 million registrations. In October 1984, RFC 920 set out the creation of ccTLDs, generally using country codes derived from the corresponding two-letter code in the ISO 3166-1 list.GB is the UK's ISO 3166 country code. However, the UK domain had been created separately a few months before the compilation of the ISO derived list. Consequently, GB was never widely used and it is no longer possible to register under the domain. New registrations directly under UK have been accepted by Nominet since the 10th of June 2014 8:00 BST. However, there is a reservation period for existing customers who already have a co, UK, org, UK, me, UK, net, UK, limited, UK or PLC, UK domain to claim the corresponding UK domain, which runs until 7:59 BST on the 10th of June 2019. UK has used OpenSec since March 2010. History. As with other ccTLDs in the early days, it was originally delegated to an individual by John Postal. In time, it passed to Willie Black at the UK Education and Research Networking Association. Originally, domain requests were emailed, manually screened by and then forwarded to the UK Naming Committee before being processed by Ireland.As. Membership of this committee was restricted to a group of high-end ISPs who were part of a formal peering arrangement. The naming committee was organized as a mailing list to which all proposed names were circulated. The members would consider the proposals under a rules set that insisted that all domain names should be very close, if not identical, to a registered business name of the registrant. Members of the naming committee could object to any name, and if at least a small number of objections were received, the name was refused. By the mid-1990s, the growth of the Internet, and particularly the advent of the World Wide Web, was pushing requests for domain name registrations up to levels that were not manageable by a group of part-time voluntary managers. Oliver Smith of Demon Internet forced the issue by providing the committee with a series of automated tools, called the automaton, which formalized and automated the naming process end-to-end. This allowed many more registrations to be processed far more reliably and rapidly, and inspired individuals such as Ivan Pope to explore more entrepreneurial approaches to registration. Various plans were put forward for the possible management of the domain, mostly Internet service providers seeking to stake a claim, each of which were naturally unacceptable to the rest of the committee. In response to this, Black, as the UK name, stepped up with a bold proposal for a not-for-profit commercial entity to deal with the UK domain properly. Commercial interests initially balked at this, but with widespread support, Nominet UK was formed in 1996 to be the UK Network Information Centre, a role which it continues to this day. The general form of the rules was set by the naming committee. Nominet has not made major changes to the rules, although it has introduced a new second-level domain, me, UK, for individuals. Until the 10th of June 2014, it was prohibited to register a domain name directly under UK, and a third-level domain was used. However, some domains delegated before the creation of Nominet UK remain. Examples include Mod, UK, Parliament, UK, BL, UK, and British Library, UK, NLS. UK, NHS UK, and JET UK. No new normal registrations at the second level are accepted, although there is a system for allocating new second-level domains to expand the capacity of the system. Such allocations are rarely made. Currently the rights to the UK domain name are owned by Nominet UK. It is possible to directly register a domain name with Nominet UK, but it is faster and cheaper to do it via a Nominet registrar. Second-level domains: AC UK, Academic and Learned Societies; CO UK, Commercial and General; .gov UK, Government, Judiciary; UK, Courts; .ltd UK, Limited Companies; ME UK, General Use; .mod UK, Ministry of Defence and HM Forces Public Sites; .net UK, ISPs and Network Companies; .nhs UK, National Health Service Institutions; .nic UK, Network Use Only; .org UK, General Use; Parliament UK, Parliamentary Use; .plc UK, Public Limited Companies; Police UK, Police Forces; .sch UK, Local Education Authorities, Schools, Primary and Secondary Education, Community Education; Co UK, Limited UK, ME UK, Net UK, NIC UK, Org UK, PLC UK, and School UK are managed by Nominet UK, and except for NIC UK are available for registration by the public. Other second-level domains are managed by various government agencies, and generally more strongly controlled. Inactive second-level domains: Government UK, a former government domain, now deleted and replaced by Gov UK; ORGN UK, a former non-profit organisations domain, now deleted and replaced by Org UK; .ly UK, Local Education Authorities, since fallen out of use; .mil UK, the Ministry of Defence have always used mod UK for their external domain, but use mil UK on the private network. Mil UK exists only as a CNAME for mod UK in the UK zone file. Rejected second-level domains: SOC UK, proposed for social and society use; .sim UK, a second-level domain for Wales. It did not have support of the Welsh Internet community, with a CYM domain being proposed, though later rejected, with either Cymru or Wales proposed. Scot UK, a second-level domain for Scotland. It was rejected by Nominet. A top-level domain of Scot has since been delegated to the root in 2014. Allocation of domain names. Allocations are on a strict first-come, first-served basis to qualified applicants. There are no territorial restrictions. Applicants need not have any connection to the UK other than those outlined below for limited UK and other restricted domains. Co UK is by far the most used of the domains, followed by Org UK, then Me UK, .plc UK, and Limited UK are only rarely used. The number of new registrations for each of the different UK domains on a month-by-month basis can be seen on the Nominet website. The intended restriction of Co. UK to companies is purely nominal. In practice it is open to any and all applicants. Likewise, whilst Org UK is for organisations, there are no restrictions on registering domains. While Me UK originally had no restrictions on registrants, it has since been tightened up to require registrants to be natural persons. However, registrants in limited UK must be, and remain, private limited companies incorporated under the UK Companies Acts. In addition, names can only be registered if they correspond with the exact company name, as recorded at the company's registry at Companies House. The same conditions apply for public limited companies which wish to use a PLC UK domain name. Neither of these domains is widely used. .NET UK is more open, but the NOMED regulations still mean that a registrant must be an ISP or a similar body, and that the domain is not used for providing services to end users. .NIC UK, however, is limited solely to domains operated by Nominate.Act. UK domains are intended for the use of higher education institutions, and are also used by some academic support bodies such as the Universities and Colleges Admissions Service, public research establishments, and learned societies such as the Royal Society. Primary and secondary education users. School UK, School UK. Unusually, School UK domains are allocated at the 4th level, with the 3rd level being taken up by the name of the local authority, e.g., school name, Lee name, School UK. For example, the Campion School in Hornchurch has the domain name Campion. Havering School UK and Westex School in Exeter has the domain name Westex. Devon School UK. Previously, applications were made in the normal way, but after NOMED came to an arrangement with the education authorities, one domain per school was issued automatically. Those that had already registered a co.uk domain were still given one, and were able to redirect it to the co.uk domain.